Hi. Basically today we have a Thanksgiving party in our office, and then the awesome thing is one of my clients that I helped to purchase a home, so they cook a turkey for us, and then as everyone, if you see over there's already a lot of leftover. Because the turkey is really awesome. Once again, my client name is Sunny. Okay, thank you so much, Sunny, and thank you, Josephine, his mom, that cooking this turkey for us. It's really good. Once again, thank you for your generosity. Thank you for your turkey on this Thanksgiving Day. God bless you.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to say thank you. We are coming into this week of Thanksgiving, and we wanted to share our thankfulness and our gratitude to all our clients, our friends, and just say thank you for such a wonderful year. Thank you for trusting us, and let's go out there and give gratitude and thankfulness to this special Thanksgiving Day, and God bless everybody.
Thank you so much to our Team New Vision clients that are celebrating this great Thanksgiving holiday with us. We hope that we can go serve you big and help out in every way possible. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Bob Alvarez. I'm just reaching out to all my family, friends, past clients, and members and students of my ministry. I just want to thank you all for a great 2018, and want to reach out and say happy Thanksgiving to all of you and your families. Let you know that I'm with the RE/MAX Titanium Group now in San Gabriel, California. So if there's anything I can do for you in the area of real estate or investments, please let me know. You can contact me directly at 213-364-3463. I hope you have a delightful weekend and that your families are blessed, as well as enjoy the festivities and all the good food. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Hello, happy Thanksgiving for all friends, family. Thank you for all the blessing that God giving to us, through the whole years. We celebrate, how good, God to us. Thank you and happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, so today's what, November 20th or something like that? Yeah. And we're celebrating our Thanksgiving kind of holiday potluck. We're a little bit more informal here than other places, so we're not sitting around a round table and whatever. But at the end of the day, we're thankful for the opportunity, for being here, for being with part of the team, having the chance to celebrate with whoever else is here, although we should have more people here later on. So whoever's watching this, you guys enjoy your weekend, enjoy your break, and we'll see you guys in the new year.
Hey guys, we're celebrating Thanksgiving here at the office, and I want to give a big thanks to Rudy and Vinny, as well as the OSA and the staff and our clients for making this happen and making this possible. A big shout out to one of our clients, Sunny and Agent Spin, for bringing in the turkey. And I'm always grateful to be a part of this team, and I wish you guys happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. My name is Sue Trong, and I'm with RE/MAX Titanium. This is the holiday of thankful. So thank you for all the clients and family and friends who've been supporting me in the past year. I wish you a very, very happy Thanksgiving weekend. Enjoy your day with family and loved ones.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday. Enjoy, eat a lot of good food, okay? And stay safe.